Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana gari kikutanka kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa karoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe, takuigirai nyaya budi kwa na Susan Mtami adzoka zvakare achilikisa information yekuraiwa kuitwa senior army generals Zimbabwe. Ndifunga takaona mazuva apfuura generals achifa Zimbabwe. So Susan Mtami adzoka zvakare with a hint yapa senior generals Zimbabwe. So abuda achitara iye achiresponda to a question yanga avhundwa nevanhu. Kushomanga akataura iye achiti there was a time I visited the ZNA defense house. So abuda achitara achiti aitwa access, the VIP access na Emerson Mnangagwa. And during the time Emerson Mnangagwa try to take advantage of Susan Mtami. Abuda achitara iye achiudza generals before they travel they should check for my brakes nema wheel nuts avo Zimbabwe, since that's way yarikondeswa accidents Nema CIO. Akataura iye achiti zvakare vanofana kutesta vanofana kucheka matires avo yanzi nekuti there is a tactic yekuti muriswa petrol mumatire emota dzavo yoshanda sepetrol bomb kana mushure mekunge mota yatravela for a long distance. Zvakare vataurwa ivo vachinzi they should check kuti mota dzavo hadzingati tampered with from the CMED, chinzi because CIO they tamper with mota dzema officials vanenge vatargeta Zimbabwe. Vakaudzwa zvakare vachiti they should turn off their location pamafoni avo. Zakare they should use a code language because everything vanenge vachitaura inenge zvichinzwikwa. Kare zvikadzi mahotels avanenge vari they should switch off lights avo so that they check for hidden cameras anenge akaiswa imomo. Kana vachinzi chikafu they should make sure vatestesa kiti kana imbwa vaone kuti chiri poisoned here. Akapa zvakare warning kumagenerals on vakadzi vari kutumwa kuti vaeliminate achinzi they should try to avoid maprostitutes ari kutumwa kuzodonedza vanhu vakuru Zimbabwe. Abuda achitaura iye achiti I just want to make it clear to the public that it was Emerson Mnangagwa who gave me unlimited VIP access to ZNA Defense House, as it was his intention to continue taking advantage of me. Just to add more on what I said before, ZNA Army Generals and MID, before traveling, check your brakes and wheel nuts, especially from now onwards. I know how difficult it is, but please also consider getting the inside of your tires tested, as petrol might be pumped in to create a powerful petrol bomb effective at high speed when traveling long distances. Alter the scheduled times of a travel and ensure you don't use those vehicles that are tampered with by CIO before being released to targeted military officials. When you want to discuss something, don't talk over the phone. Create an official code language not known in the system as much as you can. Adjust geo settings on your phones to give false location. Procure vehicle tracker jammers just in case they place tracking devices in your vehicles. In the hotels you enter, switch off the lights and check for red spotlights from any direction in the room to detect hidden cameras. Before consuming food provided, feed it to a cat or dog and see if it dies or not. Avoid beautiful women with big bums at all costs. They are mercantile prostitutes on a sponsored mission. The people that are being sent to eliminate you are using the exact same tactics because not many of them have comprehensive security intelligence training. In football terms, they are called boozers who laugh at your uniform medals every day and pop champagne at pre-cap farm when you are gone. There is no brotherhood in politics. It is a dog-eat-dog scenario in politics. Ndozobuda chitaurwa na Susan Mtami Zimbabwe. So one of my ex-users abuda chitaura achiti thank you but I beg to differ. They are no longer using those dirty tactics. It's a little bit more sophisticated. These guys have been paralyzed. They don't even know what is eating them. Usatambe panotiza retired kudzimba dzavo kudzoka kunogara mubarak pakaipa apa inzwai nini. Susan akareply achitaura achiti the people we are dealing with are not trained in sophisticated technology at all. Makorokoza, there is no sophistry in what they are doing. It's food poisoning, kudamburirwa mabreaks nekusprayerwa mumota and staged accidents. Zvabuda zvitaurwa naSusan Mutami achibuditsa mawairwo ari kuitwa magenerals muZimbabwe. Ndofunga before that akange abuda achitaura iye achipa a warning kumagenerals after General Chaminuka vakashaika. Abuda achiti, dear ZNA Army Generals, in case you might be wondering how you are all dying of short illnesses, when I used to be a regular VIP guest at the Defense House, lunch was always prepared and delivered for the generals. Why don't you consider abandoning food that is brought to your offices and buy your own lunch and beverages from different restaurants? Make sure you keep changing restaurants to confuse the enemy. MID should invest in radiation detection equipment so you can check your vehicles before getting in. Inside your offices, swap your chairs and desk before you start the day, otherwise you are all going to die. Judging by the pattern of how things are going, it looks like you need to swiftly go back to the drawing board and re-strategize. Ndozvakabuda zvitaurwa naSusan Mutami. Tisingazoti nyaya chokwadi ndo paurayiwo here ari kuitwa magenerals kana kuti kutaura kwatiri kuita the brother waparents here Peter Zimundi ndofunga he was involved in an accident yakaitika. Ndofunga takaona mota yanga anayo yakara accident shinzi he is targeted nenyaya yekuti he is aligned to Chiwenga muZimbabwe. He was promoted to be an air commodore mazuva maweeks mamanza pura muZimbabwe. Zvakare the former military intelligence officer vaneva maswera sei vakabuda vachitaura vachiti there are 5 army bosses vari targeted. Chinzi 2 vakafa kwasara 3 muZimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamukufunga mucomment section. Zvakare maGenerals akabuda achitaura pamusoro penyaya iyi achiti vava kuurayana mubato reZANU-PF. Akataura iye achiti vasanyatwe vakabuda zvichinzi vasanyatwe vakabuda. Pane information yakabuda kuti vasanyatwe vari kuvhumuka kumba kwavo suspecting kuti pane vanhu vada kuvauraya. Akabuda maGenerals achitaura iye achiti headline, apparently Chido Sanyatwe confided in Miniotabu Paloi Chiwenga, telling her that her husband General Anselm Sanyatwe anorara achivhumuka hanzi ndoda kuuraiwa. I guess it's subconsciously following real-life events of senior military men being wiped out. Tisingazive kuti nyaya chokwadi kana kuti tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.